Alright everybody, so I'm back with just a quick video showing you one of the other options available for your 2020 and up Ford Transit that comes with the stock 4-inch screen. Now on the latest Transits in 26 and a lot of 25 they have a standard 12-inch display. But for the kind of middle years, I did another video on how to install the Mekede Dudu Auto 7, the larger 13-inch screen. So this looks a little more factory, as you can see. But it works very nice. You can see I've got on-screen buttons for volume, and I can control my air conditioning right from the screen here. And then I have quick settings, and we have this really nice launcher that allows you to quickly adjust different settings. You've got your compass, your tilt and pitch, which is really nice for a camper. You can just, reset that, and when you know you're on level ground. So I've got Waze running right here. I've got music here. You can select which music app you want. There's a ton of customizability when it comes to the Dudu Auto launcher that I talk a lot more about in my other video. You can see this looks very factory. If I turn on the headlights, see it goes into a night mode. Looks really good at night. And most of all, it works really well. Works really well with the factory backup camera, as well as the radar system. You can see if I turn the wheel, you can see the factory lines. And this is all just built right into the camera. This is with the factory camera. I showed another video you can install an HD camera, an AHD camera from Mekede. Here's the factory backup camera. We've retained the zoom function. If you don't want to use the factory one for a little bit crispier of a picture, what I can also do is, like I showed in the last video, I've got my grill mounted camera that records, and it also records the factory backup camera, but it does turn off over 5 miles an hour, so it doesn't record all the time. Now if you add an aftermarket backup camera, it will record behind you all the time. That's nice to pull up if you're coming up over a hill. You want to make sure everything looks good. So again, this is the 11.5-inch unit. The Dudu OS takes just a little bit of familiarity to get everything dialed in the way you want, but once you do, it's probably the best on the market that I've seen as far as any kind of aftermarket Android stereo. And the sound is really good once you get the EQ dialed in as well. Alright, so I'll have links in the description where you can get this. You can get the whole installation kit. They do sell the optional kit that comes with all the wiring you need and the frame to mount it in the dash. It does position it a little bit further out and down than this. So if you have the manual controls down there, they're going to be covered up just a little bit. It's not horrible. I kind of wanted a backwards cant, so what I did is I modified this aftermarket dash kit to work. So I'll have links for all of that in the description. Hopefully it's helpful. This is pretty much a plug and play kit with a little bit of customization. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, we'll see you later.